They're multi-level roads. So many different intersections. Building more of those in the middle highway things. There's In and Out in Texas too. Okay, we're here at BUC-EE'S. Oh, you can't see it. It's blocked. 500. Okay, here's BUC-EE'S. Bucky Jesus. All the gas station spots. It's like a Costco of gas stations. There's so many. No, I mean the gas station itself is Costco for cars. That's a lot of gas stations. It's like the biggest gas station I've ever seen. Then they got some of the Tesla chargers all the way in the corner over there. Wow. We're gonna have to walk far to go to the store. Alright, let's plug it in. This time, let's see if it was the installer that's incompetent or the line painters. Because there's a line here, and there's an old line there. You can see the line, this is here. So they fixed, it's good. Somebody did it mostly right. Here we go. Got the line. See? Pretty much in the middle. It's still a little bit off, but it's pretty good. So there you go. Now you don't have the cable like hitting your car, and it's not like trying to go around or whatever. Good job. Look, they're even having a school field trip to BUC-EE'S. So many gas pumps. Jeez. Look at the BUC-EE'S guy up there. Where is he going? Yeah. There's so many pumps that they don't provide the little wipey sticks. Too much work. Here's a BUC-EE'S. Here's how much they pay their employees. Depending what you do. They pay weekly. No experience necessary for restroom crew and food service car wash. Full time. Like a whole shopping center. Almost like a Trader Joe's in here, but bigger. There's like whole deli, fudge, everything. They make sandwiches, burritos, breakfast stuff. It's crazy. Oh my goodness. Wow, these are cheap. $2.50 for this giant version of what I have in the tiny one. I even have this car here. Wow, look at this. Never seen so many urinals in one. I was like, how are they all in use? And then this one along this wall next to the employees. This bathroom even has a toilet seat cleaner and hand sanitizer at every toilet. You can see why I thought they were all full. That's the one. There's no other Teslas there. I hope I don't get charged for the idle fee. I accidentally left it at 80 and then it charged faster. And I didn't notice until 10 minutes later. Usually they start charging after 5 minutes, so we'll find out. After I changed it to 100% and then had plenty of time to unplug, but I don't know if it's too late, so let's see. I don't know if they charged me for those first 5 minutes that I didn't notice. All right, I'm gonna move the car so I can go back in. Look, the birds are enjoying my truck. One's on the hood, one's on the bumper. Are they eating the little bugs? Clean it up, eat the bugs. Alright, so we got this from BUC-EE'S, brisket egg taco. Let's give it a try. So we got this in Texas, BUC-EE'S. I need 2 hands, so give me a second. Actually, can I open that? Okay, I need 2 hands. Okay, be careful opening this. This is really messy. The egg is coming out here. I don't know if it's always like that, but that's a mess. Alright, I need to get all this into the burrito or taco, whatever you want to call it. Give me a second. Okay, so I wanted to get the sandwich, but they didn't have it, I guess because it's breakfast time. Here is the brisket. Pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna have to eat it like this. Not bad. The brisket flavor is kind of like ham beef jerky flavor I've tasted before. I don't know, it's like a mixture of that. Somewhat salty, so if you're sensitive to salt, this will probably be too salty for you, but yeah. People keep saying, like, if you visit Texas, go to BUC-EE'S and then try these beaver nuggets, so we're gonna try it. Probably gonna be overrated, but let's see. All right, yeah, let me open this up and I'll be back. All right, let's give this a try. Looks like this. Not as fluffy as I thought. It's like, the outside is like caramel corn consistency, where you have that kind of hard layer, but the inside is like air mixed with slight Cheeto puff. So if you imagine a slightly hard sweet shell on a Cheeto puff, but the Cheeto puff, like more than 50% of it is replaced with nothing, like just air pockets, then you get this. So you chew it, you get the outside like caramel crunch. The flavor's decent. I like the flavor. The texture, if they made the inside more like a full Cheeto puff, I think it would be better. Let me let my dad try some. Want to try it? I like the flavor though. It's sweet, slightly salty, like a caramel corn almost. But I would like if the inside was less hollow. Let me see if I can show the inside.
I ate this before.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, here you can see. So it's very hollow. Oh, okay. The texture is, if you've ever gone to Taco Bell and ordered the cinnamon twist, it's like that texture. Very airy, hollow. Not much like substance when you bite into it. It just like crumbles. And then the thing is, the outside has this like caramel corn shell. So that makes it like kind of weird, because you bite that shell, it collapses, and then you just have an empty pocket of that puff air. So taste wise, I'd give it a yes. Definitely recommend. Texture wise, I'd prefer if it was actually like Cheeto textured inside. Wow, look at all these things they're building here. Wow, they're building this really far. It's been going for miles. This has these really big roads and these big signs, and then they have all those overpass they're trying to build, but here they're not building any. Look at this underpass here.
Now turn right.
They made it into crayons. That's so cool. There's the mural. Welcome to the church. Here's the big church looking thing. Look at that. It's like a weird castle top. Look at that building. It's like a little castle up there. There's this. There's nowhere to park. What is this? Look at the old style
Now
house.
turn right onto Mill.
Okay, we couldn't find parking for the Alamo, so we're going now to our relatives. Interesting bridge. Look at this. This is a dangerous bug. Look at that. They're building another overpass over there. They put those bulldozers on some fancy platforms. Here you can see, I think that's from the cement from the Tesla factory, splattered up. Got this splattered up. Looks kind of cool. The only thing is, I don't know if it's gonna get stuck there on that corner there, and on this corner. So the tire, it spins and it throws the stuff back here. Looks like. All right. Everything else looks good.